Alright, what's up guys? This is Igor in Russia, and in this video we're gonna be checking out the Christmas spirit of St. Petersburg, Russia. Christmas time is when St. Petersburg, Moscow, Russian cities in Russian tradition gets very, very beautiful, decorated, lots of Christmas lights, etc. And yes, everywhere is the same, but in Russia I think it's even more, maybe similar to American style, but anyways. Check out this video, the atmospheric video of the city center of St. Petersburg. Some beautiful decorations. Push likes, amigo Russia, foreigner traveling no matter what boundaries into Russia to be here and to film it for you. Subscribe to the channel, become an Igorian member of the channel, and keep on watching. Let's go. Christmas in St. Petersburg, Russia, is the celebration of lights. Amazing pieces of basically art everywhere, all around the center and outer centers as well. All the main streets are having some kind of a decorations, Christmas decorations everywhere, bigger and smaller. That's Father Frost, Ded Moroz. Russian Father Frost behind me. here is, of course, Palace Square. Palace Square, of course, holds the main Christmas tree of St. Petersburg, of the whole city. We're gonna take a look at it right now next. All right, we are now in December Palace Square. Well, in Palace Square, on Palace Square in December. It's cold, but all snow has melted, but still the lights are beautiful. The atmosphere is amazing. That's the main Christmas tree of St. Petersburg. People are riding Santa Claus or somebody. People are writing postcards, Christmas postcards. Oh, that's adorable. But check it out. Wow. It's not been a long time since they put up this main Christmas tree on Palace Square, and it's still work is undergoing, so actually the surrounding area is not open, but still the main thing is standing and giving us joy. Oh my God, check this beauty out. Christmas Gorka is what you call it, a hill. Guys, are you ready? Let's go. Nevsky on Christmas. Wow, this is amazing, guys. Guys, This has been a Christmas lights in St. Petersburg. Subscribe to the channel and see you again from Russia. Bye bye.